Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today's topic is the electrophilic addition to carbon-carbon, carbon double bond carbon or carbon double bond carbon or carbon-carbon double bond. So this is the most important topic for the GE NEET and also for CSIR NET. This is the most important topic and easy topic also. This topic is easily done with the help of Claydon also. Here some of the topic, the most important part is given here, an introductory part. So let's see the electrophilic addition. Here the compound containing carbon-carbon double bond are called alkenes. We all know that alkenes are the compounds which contain double bond are called as alkene. The compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond is called as alkane. Carbon triple bond carbon is alkyne. So these are the carbon compound in which double bond present, then called as alkene, when single bond alkane, and when triple bond is called alkyne. So here we can represent carbon double bond carbon as shown here. Because of carbon has valency 4 valency. For satisfying its valency, the carbon made 4 bonds with another carbon. Here single bond is sigma bond. Here again sigma bond, and this is also sigma bond. Here one is the pi bond and one is the sigma bond. So the representation of carbon double bond carbon is shown as like this. Because of the valency of the carbon is 4, and when one carbon is connected with the other carbon, there is 2 double bond in between 2 carbon and 1 single bond, 2 single bond at the terminal position. Next, the 2 bonds are not exactly of the same nature. Here these 2 double bonds are not exactly of the same nature. Although they are 2 double bonds, but they are not exactly same, because of one of bond is called sigma bond. It is strong bond obtained by axial overlapping. Here one is the sigma bond and one is the pi bond. The sigma bond is strong bond obtained by axial overlapping of 2 sp2 hybrid atomic orbitals. These atomic orbitals are sp2 hybrid orbitals. Here the overall representation of molecule is shown as like this. Here the carbon double bond carbon, here the carbon double bond carbon in which 2 carbons, here the axial overlapping is shown. Here sigma bond and pi bond, these 2 are sigma bond, and these are the sp2 hybrid orbital. When sp2 hybrid orbital again this carbon double bond carbon and these 2 single bond, which is called as sigma bond, one sigma bond and 2 double bond. Here one is the sigma bond, one is the pi bond. Pi bond is the weak bond and which is the more reactive. Whereas sigma bond is the strong bond and which is badly reactive. So here again lateral overlapping is given by these two pi bond and sigma bond to give this structure of carbon-carbon double bond. Here one is the sigma bond and one is the pi bond. Pi bond is weakly held and which is more reactive. Due to this, pi bond is loosely held by the electron or carbon atoms, so they are more reactive and diffused in space, and the position of double bond is reactive site in the molecule. So the site in the molecule, reactive site in the molecule is the pi bond, which is more reactive site, and therefore the carbon double bond carbon containing compound gives electrophilic addition as well as nucleophilic addition due to the presence of sigma bond and pi bond, which shows axial overlapping as well as lateral overlapping, and due to the pi bond it is weakly held and which is pi bond is weak bond, less stable and more reactive, so has tendency to react with reagent and to form two or more stable sigma bonds, which is strong sigma bond. Therefore this is the characteristics of addition reaction. So the carbon double bond carbon gives lots of reaction. The reaction can be seen in the next video. So please connected with us, see the videos on the carbon double bond carbon. And this is the most important topic of Claydon as well as Carothers as well as MSc, CSIR NET, GE, NEET exam. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.